Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x to the power x to the power 3 is equal to 3. X is equal to what? Questions have given x to the power x cube is equal to 3. First, let x cube is equal to y. So we will get x is equal to cube root of y. Okay. Or now we can write here x is equal to cube root of y whole to the power x cube is equal to y is equal to 3. Or now we know an exponential formula, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Now we can write here y is equal to y to the power 1 over 3 whole to the power y is equal to 3. Or now apply this formula here, we can write y to the power y over 3 is equal to 3. Or now taking exponent 3 on both sides, we can write here y to the power y over 3 whole to the power 3 is equal to 3 cube. Or now we can write here y to the power 3y over 3 is equal to 3 to the power 3. Now here this 3 cancel out this 3, so we will get y to the power y is equal to 3 to the power 3. Now comparing, here we can write y is equal to 3, but remember, let x cube is equal to y. X cube is equal to y. Here y is equal to 3, so we can write here x cube is equal to 3. Now taking both sides cube root, we can write here cube root of x cube is equal to cube root of 3. So finally we will get the value of x is equal to cube root of 3. Now check questions have given x to the power 3 is equal to 3, x to the power 3 is equal to 3. Here x is equal to cube root of 3, so we can write here cube root of 3 whole cube is it equal to 3. Or now this cube cancel out this cube root, so here we will get cube root of 3 whole cube is it equal to 3. Similarly this cancel out this, so we will get 3, so we can write here 3 is equal to 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, so our final answer is x is equal to cube root of 3. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.